Hello, this is the Sober Chef, and today I am going to show you guys how to make fried chicken using an air fryer and panko breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to put breadcrumbs, the panko breadcrumbs in the dish, and then I'm going to crack 2 eggs in another dish, and then I'm going to be seasoning the breadcrumbs after I whisk the eggs. And I already pat dried and cut off most of the fat with the chicken thighs. And you can use whatever you want with your seasonings. I'm just using garlic, onion powder, salt, paprika, and cayenne pepper. I am also using chili powder. That's one thing I forgot to also mention. And then once your breadcrumbs are nice and seasoned, you mix it up. And you don't have to use a fork, but I am going to, even though I'm wearing gloves, and dip the chicken in the eggs. And then I'm just gonna put the seasoned breadcrumbs into the chicken. And once everything is done, you are going to air fry it at 375 for 10 to 14 minutes. But I am going to be extra safe and do 8 minutes on each side because I live in a state with higher altitude. And of course, I don't know if that partakes with air frying, but with baking, that is one thing that you have to do. And I'm also going to be spraying it with a little bit of oil. And once we're halfway done with the cook, I will be flipping it and spraying it again with the oil to make sure we get that extra crispiness. And now that our oven is preheated, our air fryer, I am putting the chicken in. So I am flipping them now. I had to add time because this is not a traditional air fryer. It is a Breville all-in-one with an air fryer feature. So I'm needing to add time. And now I'm going to spray them again with a little bit of oil to get crispy. And I am going to do it again for 15 minutes. And then I am going to temp them to see if they're ready. Chicken should be 165 to 170. Right, they are done. I am going to temp them to double check. And we are going to have a feast. Okay, 170, that's perfect. 165. 166. Yep, they're all perfect. All right, now I'm going to add my favorite hot sauce for fried chicken, which is Louisiana hot sauce. And I am going to be doing the taste test. Really good. All right, that came out nice and juicy and really good and what it's supposed to look like. This is the Sober Chef signing off.